Hello everyone, my YouTube viewers. This is today we're going to demonstrate and assemble one of those pedestal fan, this is summer now in England, and all we need is one of those fan which will keep us cool on this summer heat. So today I have received one of those pedestal fan. This is the company name, PELONIS, and what we're going to do is we're going to open it and we're going to assemble and we're going to do a review on it to see how does it work and how good it is. Okay, so let's do it. There you go, this is done. Open now. Now take it out, everything. See what's inside. Well, this is the instruction how to do assemble. So leave it for a minute aside. And now we're going to get more stuff. This is the stands. Oh, this is everything we have from inside. So this is the actual motor which is going to do all the work for the fan to move. This is the case which will hold for safety. So we put those ones to the side before we start. So let me see the instruction now. Yes, there's all packaging is here. This is the stand, this is the pool, this is the motor, and this is the case and the fan itself inside. So this is a bit more plasticky. That's what we were expecting. We didn't expect anything else apart from that. So we're unpackaging all the stuff. So we take the packaging out. This packaging out of the way. More packaging out of the way. More packaging. By the way, we're going to recycle all those things, so we'll keep it in the side. More packaging, we need to get these ones out of the way. How you do the stands, put it together. There you go. All get in place. That's it. All ready now. That's it. This is the pool going in. And the motor getting in. There you go. Now we're going to put the fan after that. We're going to plug in and see how does it work. If it does work properly, and we have done it properly. If it doesn't, then we have to take it out and redo it again.
Go.
There you go. We're going to take that one out. We're going to take that one out to put that safety guard in. So we put the safety guard accordingly. Okay, so safety guard in. Now the actual fan's going in. Tighten that one so it shouldn't come off. When the motor starts, it will start to force it, so you need to tighten properly. It shouldn't come out while it's on. So now we're going to put the safety net on. So this is the safety cuff lock. So you need to put the safety lock in, which is already done other three. All you have to do is just lock it properly, because if you have a child in the home and if you didn't lock it properly and it is on, you might fall down and your child might grab that one. It can cause an accident. So for the safety and security, so you need to lock it on properly, same as I did. And also now we're going to test it if it works. By the way, I just need to mention that the model number, the PELONIS fan, which is model number FS4020M, which is 220 to 240 volt and 50 Hz and 40 watt. So it's made in China, by the way. So as you know, most of the product comes from China. So nothing new. So now we're going to test it if it works or not. So let's see. Wow, brilliant, brilliant. It's doing quite well. Yeah. Yeah, for this size of the fan, it's just quite a strong motor, which is really fantastic. Quite a speed from going from one side to another. Yeah. Yeah, quite fantastic. It's doing quite well. You know, when just rotating from one side to another, it's doing quite well. Very good. yeah, that's it really. So there you go, my friends, my viewers, all done, all demonstrated, and my review will be fantastic. Please do not hesitate to buy this PELONIS pedestal fan, which is, I'll show you for your case, in case if you wanted to go in the shop and you're not sure which one. Let me show you the box again, so you might not going to make any mistake when you will buy it. This is the fan, and if you go to any shop in the UK, I'm sure you'll find, and if it's not, then order online. This is the details, the name, and this is how it works. Thank you very much for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.